Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing okay. I just wanted to hop on here since our first flexible learning day is tomorrow and go over a few things that we talked about on Friday. So, like we talked about, we're going to be using Canvas throughout the next couple weeks here. I know I sent home some printed materials with you on Friday as well. If you weren't here, don't worry about that. You can do everything on scratch paper. But if you do have a printer, feel free to print out things like the guided notes. That's going to be a big thing that you're going to need throughout the next couple weeks. Anyway, just a couple of things. So every day I'm going to be posting an announcement that tells you exactly what you need to be doing that day. That will show up here in this box once I've done that. Right now, the only thing you're going to see is this learning log. So this is something that I created just for you to help you keep track with what you're working on. So when you click on that, it's going to pull up a Google Doc. So you may have to log into Google when you do that. Maybe. Okay, for some reason mine's not working. Let me pull up. What I have. Wow. Okay. So this is what's going to pull up when you do that. So what you're going to do is you'll make a copy. So File, make a copy, and you'll rename it. Just remove the original part and put your last name and then reshare it with me. So then you can see I've already made tables for this week and next week, and all you have to do is type in exactly what you worked on that day. It doesn't have to be anything major, so just a quick sentence about what you worked on. So that I will be expecting to see updated every day, hopefully. Let me go back to our module here. Okay, so as you can see, I've already put everything on here for the whole unit, and I know it looks like a lot, but remember that we're not going to get through the whole unit. It's going to be very simple. The tasks I have for you each day could be something as simple as watching a video and writing about it. Okay, so don't freak out. I also wanted to show you where I'm going to be using conferences. So if you click on that, I'm in student view. So let me leave student view so you can see what it actually looks like. So you'll have conferences here. I've already done a test conference just to make sure it worked. So everyone should have got an invitation to that. If you changed your Canvas notifications, you probably didn't, but they're here. So you just click on conferences, and then you'll click on, once I start it, you'll have the ability to click on it, and then you can either allow it to access just your voice or your camera as well, or you can just chat with me. So I'm going to have those available every day. It'll probably change depending on the day what time I do that, but I'll let you know in your announcement for that day. All right, guys. So tomorrow morning, once you get up and start working, just come to our Canvas page, look for that announcement from me, and we'll go from there. As always, feel free to reach out to me via email if you need anything. All right, guys. Hope everybody's doing okay.